Hey guys, we have a very impromptu unboxing. I wasn't planning on it, but I was just filming an intro for my last video when this box was delivered to me. This is a mini pochette that I ordered from an Instagram seller, Jose. He's absolutely wonderful. So I ordered this from him and it happened to be delivered when I was filming. So this is a true unboxing. I just opened up the outside package so my address wouldn't show. Let's take a look at it. I'm so excited for this. This is something that I've wanted for years since it was released. So here's the box. Let's take out the tissue. Oh, how nice. Oh, look at the, oh my goodness. I love this. It's a little keychain and it says Guatemala. So Jose is Guatemalan and I've been to Guatemala a few times. So when he posted videos from going to Guatemala, I chatted with him about it and our experiences going to the country. So how cute is that? I absolutely love that. I love this little keychain. That is so cool. Okay, and here is a thank you letter, which you can't even see on screen. Oh, and another thank you card. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. Let me take a quick look at this. Thank you, enjoy her. Added a small little keychain from my Guatemala trip, early 23. Oh, yeah, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. I love it. And yeah, hopefully I'll get to go back there one day too. Okay, here she is. Here's the Louis Vuitton box. And Jose sold this to me. It was purchased by him directly from Louis Vuitton. He did show me the receipt. He purchased this in the boutique. So I'm really confident ordering it, buying it from him and, confident with the authenticity. So here he did wrap it up inside the box. Let's put the box down and open up this bubble wrap. I should have brought a pair of scissors with me. But like I said, this is totally impromptu. And here it is in the dust bag. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the Vernis Rose Gold from, I believe, 2021. Let me open her up. And he bought this. He even said there's, you can still see there's some plastic on some of the hardware. It's in pristine 10 out of 10 condition. Here is the card with the item ID, which is kind of irrelevant because it has been discontinued. It's no longer available from the store. The textile card. And let's see, I think this is just, oh, very nice. This is the cleaning cloth for the Vernis leather, which I didn't actually know that came with it because this is the first piece I've ever gotten in Vernis leather, which is, basically patent leather. It's just called Vernis in Louis Vuitton lingo. Here she is. Oh my God. I have wanted this bag since it came out. I didn't buy it. And this is, she's made in France. Let's look on the inside. Absolutely pristine. There's the patch on the back. Here she is. I will show you. I've been so busy admiring her myself. Here she is. And look at that rose gold. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. I love the mini pochette. It's one of my favorites. I don't know why I'm talking so quietly. All of a sudden my voice just lowered. So I have this in regular monogram canvas and damier bean canvas. I love the mini pochette. I use it as a catch-all in all of my bags. I probably won't be using this as a catch-all so much. I plan on displaying this in my closet to look at it because she's absolutely gorgeous, but I will use this in some of my bags. I do tend to keep my bags quite organized. I usually use an organizer, and I don't think I have anything that would ruin the outside of this bag if I put it in a bag. I don't keep pens in my bags. I don't keep water. Even my keys, I have in a key holder, so nothing's loose that would scratch this. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. I'm really happy that I decided to go for this. And as I said before, Jose is absolutely a sweetheart, such a nice person. I got this from him. I think I purchased it on Monday. I DM'd him on Monday. He sent it out that day. I paid him upfront right away for it because, as I said, he's a trusted seller. Paid him for it. He sent it to me that day. Today's Thursday, and I have this. So within a couple days, and I think she's just gorgeous. I'm so, so happy. And yeah, that's just my little impromptu unboxing of this Vernis Rose Gold Mini Pochette Accessoire from Louis Vuitton. Thanks for watching.